Got what we need?
Cash first.
100,000.
We got ourselves a deal.
Now, why you want to go and do that?
Sound good to me.
I see all these muscle cars, but I don't see no muscle. Malibu, trick move. Is that yours?
Your partner is marrying your sister? Good cop, sex cop.
Corey is the best wedding planner in Atlanta. So what you're going to do...
I'm not intimidated by you.
What you gonna do?
I'm stepping up. You wanna get big? I'm sick of this. What speed was the fan on?
All the new dealers in Atlanta are getting supplied through Antonio Pope in Miami. You need to get me something on this guy.
2 days tops.
So get a team together and fix this.
Miami, James, I'm going.
Make sure you're back in time to make me Mrs. Blackhammer.
Hey, Ange, you know where my thongs are?
Check my top right drawer.
Wow.
Oh, they were in my panty drawer, not yours.
We gonna go by Miami PD, let them know we here.
Oh, what's your problem?
You're at my desk.
Oh,
Soft tissue manipulation. Detective Payton.
Detective Cruz.
I'm not shaking your hand after that.
Pope is moving contraband through the port. You gonna help me get some hard evidence on him.
How do we get in undetected?
Name?
Prince Admiral Stephen Matumbe.
Plus my 2 servants.
I'm not your servant.
You are what I say you are.
Sign of respect.
I cannot feel my face.
Oh, we got company.
Lose him. Hold on.
Are you signaling?
It is a force of habit.
Let's get ridiculous.
The brothers-in-law just got to town.
You say that again, I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
I need you here now. I'm marrying someone on Saturday.
That beat make the crowd go.
Drop your gun, man. Put it down.
Put your gun down.
Again?
My nerves is bad, man.
Oh, my God. He a zombie. Headshot. Walking dead. Show, James.
Let's get ridiculous.